My slime pet peeves when they only play it in the container. Can you demonstrate it, sis? There's some slime here, I think.
Okay, my turn.
Golly gracious. Okay.
When they talk about the slime for 10 years.
Hey guys, look at this slime. It has a blue cap and it's kind of small. Well, whatever. And
10 years later.
and it smells really good. And feels really nice too. It's made by Elmer's glue and shaving cream. I don't know which kind. And
Yeah, that's
red
it.
dye.
Bye. Okay, your turn. I'm gonna use this one.
When the slime's too sticky. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Golly gracious.
When the slime is too
amazing.
sticky.
Oh, snap it, doodles. Wow, it's amazing slime, guys. It doesn't even stick to my hands. Oh, yeah.
Totally. Careful.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's not sticking in my hands.
Aww.
For realsies. No. Okay, sis, it's your turn. You play with the slime. Demonstrate with the slime, okay?
Okay. Put it back in the container. What else?
Wait. I got mine.
Okay.
The
When the-
lonely poker.
Wait, no. When they think the
Okay.
slime is butter slime, but it's actually not. Guys, it's butter slime. And the color is red, okay? It's really nice. You love it, and then see, they're colorblind.
It's kind of like butter slime, actually. See, it's very stretchy.
And it's very not droopy, like seriously. It's very rippy. So you can see, it's very rippy. And then they think, yeah. And you cannot make bubble pops, like seriously. See, you can't literally hear.
Are you good,
anything.
bruh? Are you good, bruh?
See? Okay, I'm gonna try making it. Okay? See? Sounds like nothing. And it doesn't even poke. See?
Bruh.
See? Seriously doesn't poke.
Bruh. What is that? What is that?
Seriously?
Okay, so it's your turn.
Okay, what now?
Okay. Say your pet peeve. Now demonstrate.
No, it's your turn.
No, I already said. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Demonstrate with something else. Okay, whatever.
When they think it's clear slime, but it's not. Guys, OMG, I just got clear slime today. See how clear it is. It's not. It's like any color is just clear. Look, guys.
Yeah. What happened to you? Who raised you?
My mama.
Careful. Okay, my turn. Wait, put it back first. I'm gonna be playing with this one.
Okay. It's called the Shrek slime.
Okay. Your turn. What else?
I don't know what you.
Okay. When they play the slime already before the video. It's really clean. Really nice.
Okay, got my pet peeve. When they poke something with a container. Oh, Jesus, help me, help me, help me, help me.
Okay.
Help me.
Slime abuse. Wait. Make a swirl first and then abuse the slime. Got it. That's how I do a swirl. Okay.
Slime. Slime. Are you good, bruh?
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn. Okay, what else? When the person who does not pop bubbles.
Oh, that's hard.
This is my favorite part.
What happened to you, bruh? Okay, now poke it.
Sorry, couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. Guys.
Okay, I'll do it.
I couldn't help it. I love to.
I know, right?
I love to do it.
Okay.
Can I hear the, the bubbles? Oh, since you did it.
Okay, each one we do 2 pet peeves. So that's one. What else?
I have one.
Okay.
Another slime.
Do like
Wait, since I have a.
we take turns, right? But we do 2 slime pet peeves.
Yeah.
So it's and the slime is too small.
When the slime is too small.
When they think, when they zoom in too close. Oh my gosh, it's really close. Okay, my turn.
I was actually just moving the. I was just doing
Wait,
this.
lying thumbnail. It's actually small. Huh? Now give me subscribers.
I only have 1 subscriber.
Really?
Just me. Itzkaylee gacha. So please subscribe to her.
This
is actually me.
I'm gonna try subscribing to you also.
Wait, sis, I have a good one. I have a put it back.
Okay.
Velvet slime. Pick the velvet slime.
I love the slime so much. Okay.
Next pet peeve is when they don't poke the slime. Demonstrate. I'm very bad at it. When they don't poke the slime, sis. When they don't poke the slime.
Yeah, I know now. Slime.
That's like poking, sis.
It's not. Can't hear anything. And then the viewers be like, poke the slime. I was so close. I was so close from poking. Sad life, I did it. It's so hard. You try it, sis. You try it.
Okay.
Try not to poke the slime.
La 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 la. La just swirl. Make a swirl. Oof. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so glossy.
Oh, this is hard. I wanted to poke it.
I was so close from poking it.
Thank God I did.
Oh, I thought she's gonna do it. Oh,
That sounded like
poke
a
the
fart.
slime.
Oof, oof. Like, view. Oh, that was
so
super close. That was super close. Okay.
What else?
When they zoom a lot. But this is a different one. They zoom a lot.
I'll do it then.
Oh my god, I went to the phone. Oh my god.
Yes, we're using a phone, guys.
Yep, not the iPad.
iPad? No, it's a phone.
When they zoom and you can't really see anything.
Nearly. You can't really see the slime because don't move it. Okay. Yeah, you have to move it a lot. Zoom in and out like that. Oh my gosh, there's slime in your hands.
Oh my god. Oh god. Let's do this for a while because there's slime over me. Okay, so this next one.
It leaves oil residue because of the.
Yep.
What else? When they poke the swirl.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's slime in here. Give me your oily residue. Oh my golly. Look how glossy it is, guys. Ah! Triggered!
Na, 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 na.
Okay.
Let's show the viewers.
It looks like putty for some reason. In the camera. Whoa.
Kiss the swirl.
Mwah.
Taylor Miss.
I guess you never miss, huh?
You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya.
Come on. If you find another girl, he'll miss ya. And something that, something.
Burj Khalifa? Something like that.
Burj Khalifa. Yeah, something like Khalifa. You know, in grade 2 or 3, I have a classmate named Khalifa. Something Khalifa. And they used to call him Burj Khalifa.
Guys, hear this. Guys, we're gonna do ASMR when someone's doing ASMR, but it's super loud. They know. I know this is the best body in the universe.
When another Slimer comes in. Hey, slime video.
Hey. Wait, a next pet peeve. When the sister comes and ruins. When a sister comes. Wait, can I have a sister? Okay?
Yeah.
La.
Hey, get it.
Oh, I want to play with slime. We want to play with slime too.
No.
La. Mom?
No.
I'll tell Mom.
Okay, fine. Only one piece. Hey. Okay, next. When the lighting is bad.
Oh, wait, sis, you have to vlog them. When the lighting is very bad. What happened? Just close the lights.
You can really see something. Like, seriously.
Yes, I couldn't really see. Ow!
You can hear something, right, guys? Oh, that was loud. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it is so close from here.
Good thing it wasn't.
I was actually doing this.
Okay, sissy.
My turn. When they get a little piece in slime, if the slime is really big but they only get a tiny little piece. Huge, right?
Guys, it's very huge.
I know it. Oh my gosh, look how huge it is.
Reality. Dun, 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 dun. What is that?
No clue.
Ew. It's even dry. Okay, so it's my turn.
Okay, you do it this one. Do when they don't know how to swim.
Huh?
Okay, I'll just do it. Look, this is swirl, okay? This is a swirl. Let me show you how I do it. Ta-da! Amazing, right? So, here's a tutorial on doing the swirl. You do this, and then just swirl
It
along.
looks like a poop.
Ta-da!
Okay, so it's my turn.
Okay.
Wait, sis, I want to do another slime. No, not that one. Another one. Okay. Put that there. Okay, sis.
My feet!
When a humanoid, a human Smurf touches a slime. And guys, it's my other channel, and it's amazing. So subscribe my nail, and then I'm demonstrating you how to make a slime. So apparently, you have to pop. That's it. Okay, bye. So that's one of the tutorials.
Okay. When they stop for the thumbnail.
Are you good? Are you good?
Okay, what's next?
Oh, when they wait, just put the slime there. When they put it super close. No, I actually don't know.
Wait, when it's too far.
It's too far, yeah.
It's too close. It's in the right leg.
Okay, next one. Okay.
What happened?
No, nothing.
Oh, I know one.
When they think it's a butt.
It's a... Ew.
It looks like a butt.
What?
It's actually not a butt. It's one of my, it's my legs. Look, guys. Hot sauce.
Oh yeah, it looks like hot sauce. But I call it brick wall.
When they think it's food.
Wait, let's do a giveaway.
Yeah, guys.
I forgot the giveaway.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh yeah. If you subscribe to my channel, Kaylee Gacha.
Her main channel is Itzkaylee gacha.
And if you subscribe to Jlynn
Wolf. We will link it down below. Or no, we will not link it. We'll just
I will
write-
link it. I know we will write and then you guys have to, and you also have to subscribe
Search.
to It's Funny and subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share.
Oh, and
Even
here's,
in my latest
here's
video.
our friend's channel. We will link it down below. Also, not link. I just type whatever. Yeah.
So bye.
Wait! And
Oh,
we're
yeah?
gonna be doing a giveaway.
Exactly. That's it. Oh yeah, the giveaway will be one of their slimes and one phone.
Wait. If you don't know how to do a slime, buy a slime from our Instagram slime shop or anything, we have lots of those, and then you can just tell us what you want, and then we're gonna give it to you. And we will be doing another thing giveaway in, I think, next Saturday. Yeah, next Saturday we are doing giveaways every Saturday, and we're gonna be living soon.
Soon. After 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
We actually don't really know. Actually for 2 weeks.
How about 1 week?
Yeah. We're
So-
living in our church.
So yeah,
Bye!
like and subscribe.
And share.